I began to tell una about the opposition party them, their rule where they play for this struggle. Una ran hear the audio from Bandam, how they talk about money where they contribute them for Sako regime. Me then take and begin fight. It get influence. You know what that money mean? They don't talk the amount for them, but we know amount of money they last they wanna hear. My place on small part today.
Only answer him of in the Abbey Embery.
I think say the only answer we figure for Imbeli, whether the column say now
small.
This video where Chris Anu, Ian Tato,
they will live to regret.
They will regret. Answer where I fit tell you.
Video
now this video where Chris Anu, Ian Tato be released
money.
Say you be fool.
From last year.
I be pick you for street.
I've been telling since last year.
You never ever sit down for classroom. You just will call the come andam anyhow.
Wait.
Matias Ngwa, in Maritime. You will now become the make noise.
On the bed in a school.
You never ever sit down for class.
I hear that place before I tell now.
You just will call the come andam anyhow.
When we were
no say that God way you pray, no fi ever go above your roof. Or for doing anything.
Fumble up and down.
Say money will be given. Say me they buy weapon.
When I hear very well because last time I began tell when I say Ndawara he can meet up ni John Frundi for he has then gather how they go influence Amber Boy them. Me then go begin fight their fight. Ndawara and Frundi. When I see Ndawara they pay Amber Boy them. When I be down here, even they want for Boyo Council, Ndawara they put them on salary. Now the small fight the way they don't make and the Hausa boy they vex. Ndawara na CPG man. Frundi, yeah and Pobia they be that. You know say when this struggle start, I put my paper down. When this struggle start, some CPGM and SDF parliamentarian them people they know the system where they be done they lose relevant where Pobia be done use them so that their own use done finish they don't expire for the Pobia in hand. Then see this our revolution like an opportunity to become relevant back again for La République du Cameroon. They see this our revolution like an opportunity to challenge Biya to fight for their own portion for that midway they be the chopper for day. Now you will then jump inside. Akeremuna na be the worst one. A TV, una know they cry out TV. I don't get time for begin over analyze one because we don't tell already since 2 years ago. I been talking 2 years ago so they go cry. The only thing they wanna go to see am now the evidence for the thing they will be already tell una. I been tell una. Lucas Asu be talk. Even Vera Franklin be constant tell una 2 years ago. I been tell una say opposition party them and CPDM the two side. The sponsor side them for this revolution. And their problem now say the ADF, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, Dr. Cho Ayaba, no be man where it entertain them, no be man where they feel steady, no be man where like money where they feel turn it this way, turn it this way. They talk for we, they don't engage we all. When I remember when that first protest will come, we talk even with Fundi. That way they will go make rally for Boya, for Bamenda, we will talk with them. So they talk with we, they don't study we, they see man where it be excited when you talk with them. Man where it come now, it be prone, where he be under that curse of the wicked black man syndrome. Is it they under that cultural hindrance? They don't know the people them. They know the people the way they be susceptible. They don't drag them. But thank God for Cho Ayaba. Say it don't stand up in ground. It don't stand up in ground. Now why the way they want finish it? They not be able to control the ADF. Now why the way they don't decide say ADF no go leave. ADF will come over that land. But the one that God ordained struggle. We the vanguards of this revolution wouldn't stand, wouldn't put pillars. So boom. Say ADF shall not fall. God himself he put us so boom. He protect General Efang. Then shoot them. They don't shoot it 2 times. Shoot bullet for his skin so it bam, it disappear for their eye.